Feeling overwhelmed at work? Lost your motivation and struggling to find your professional mojo? Today, we meet Gaur Gopal, a former monk turned motivational speaker, whose simple yet profound wisdom can transform your work life. The Perspective presents 5 life lessons from Gaur Gopal. Let's find your mojo at work. Gaur Gopal Das's charm lies in his relatable stories, his witty humor, and his ability to weave life lessons into captivating narratives. Let's dive into 5 of his ideas that can reignite your passion and propel you towards success. Lesson 1. Life is like a jigsaw puzzle, and your work is a piece of that puzzle. This analogy reminds us that our work is not just a job, it's a contribution to the bigger picture. Find meaning in your role and understand how it contributes to the success of your team or organization. For example, a delivery person might not be a doctor, but they play a crucial role in getting life-saving medication to those who need it. Every role, no matter how big or small, plays a vital part in the grand scheme of things. Find purpose in your work and approach it with that mindset. Lesson 2. Don't tell God how big your problems are. Tell your problems how big God is. Challenges are inevitable in any career. Gaur Gopal reminds us to cultivate resilience and faith. Focus on what you can control and approach problems with a positive and proactive attitude. Let's say in an example, when a wave crashes on the shore, it doesn't say, "Oh no, a rock." Instead, the rock says, "Come on then." Develop the inner strength to face challenges head-on and emerge stronger on the other side. Lesson 3. The biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. Never stop learning and growing. Embrace opportunities to develop your skills and knowledge. This continuous improvement will keep you motivated and engaged in your work. Example, if you think you're a wise person, go and spend some time with a child. They'll teach you a thing or two about curiosity and learning. Hence, maintain a beginner's mind and actively seek out new information and learning opportunities to keep your passion alive. Lesson 4. Choose to be happy, and the reasons will follow. Sometimes, happiness can feel elusive. Gaur Gopal reminds us that happiness is a choice, not a result. Choose to approach your work with a positive attitude, and the positive outcomes will naturally follow. For example, a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. So, spreading positivity can uplift yourself and your colleagues. Focus on creating a positive and collaborative work environment, and watch your overall satisfaction soar. Lesson 5. Don't be a photocopy, be an original. Don't be afraid to stand out. Embrace your individuality and bring your unique talents and perspectives to the table. Your originality is your greatest asset. For example, let's say, every human being is a walking miracle. So celebrate your uniqueness. There's only one you. Don't try to imitate others. Focus on honing your own strengths and let your individuality shine through in your work. Gaur Gopal wisdom offers a roadmap for a fulfilling and successful career. Embrace these ideas, find your spark, and watch your professional life transform. Like and subscribe to The Perspective for more content to help you win at work.